Welcome to Edu to Deep Learning classes, friends. I am Rajiv Ranjan, and today we are going to understand ozone depletion, how this ozone layer is depleting day by day. So, in this video tutorial, I will be teaching you what is ozone, location of ozone, how ozone is important to us. So, one by one, let us see the video. So, first of all, what is ozone? Ozone is a gas made up of three oxygen molecules. And what is ozone layer? The ozone layer is a region of stratosphere that a high concentration of ozone is located. So let us see in the slides. This is our earth. Okay, this is the earth, and the first layer is that is called troposphere. As we go above the atmosphere, the first layer is troposphere. Now comes the second layer called stratosphere. So between these two layers, that is troposphere and stratosphere, here ozone gas is present, and this you can see the lining. This is called the ozone layer. So typically this ozone is about located about 10 to 30 miles above earth's surface. That is from this portion, see in the slide, that is from this portion to this portion. This is about 30 approx 10 to 30 kilometers, near about, not exactly. It is 30 to 10 to 30 kilometers above the earth's surface. So oh, how this ozone looks like, let us see in the picture. You can see the top layer of some gases. This is what? This is ozone gas. Okay, I have told you the formula of ozone is O3. This is the three oxygen molecules. What is this? This is three oxygen molecules. Now move to next slides. How this ozone is depleting. This ozone is depleting day by day, and this is occurring due to the harmful UV radiation coming out of the sun. This is sun. You can see here the harmful UV radiations are coming directly towards the earth. Okay, so what acts as a filter? The atmosphere acts as a filter. See here in this picture, you can see this rays coming down towards the earth and entering to the earth atmosphere. Here ozone gas is present. It acts as filter for all those harmful UV radiation coming out of the sun. Gradually what happens, the harmful radiation is absorbed by the oxygen ozone layer. Gradual decrease or reduction in the, or what is this, reduction in the amount of oxygen present. The ozone, reduction of ozone gas present in the layer, reduction of ozone gas present in the atmosphere. Now this is severely affecting the depletion of the ozone layer over the Antarctica region. See in this picture, this is the map of earth taken from the space, and you can see here blue area shows the depletion of ozone occurred due to the harmful sun's UV radiations, ultraviolet radiations coming towards the surface. Here you can see ozone is present here, everywhere, but the layers gradually got reduced. The amount of ozone present here is less than this. Okay, so in 1987, it is an international treaty. What is this? It is an international treaty. that this ozone is depleting day by day and it is causing many problems to the human mankind. So let us come to the one point and sign a treaty. This treaty happened in Montreal, so that in the city of Montreal, so it is named as Montreal Protocol and established in 1987. It's an international treaty designed to phase out the production and consumption of ozone depleting substances. We will reduce and uh, decrease the consumption of ozone depleting substances. So let us know what are ozone depleting substances. You have heard the name of chlorofluorocarbon, CFCs. In short, I'm writing here CFCs. Achieve what is our aim through a Montreal Protocol is to achieve the level of ozone which was in 1980s. And how and what those levels are? Those levels are in the Dobson, that is the unit to measure the ozone layer is in Dobson. So let us move ozone layer conservation day. In Hindi it is called Antarashtriya Ozone Parat Sanrakshan Divas. The theme of 2024 is to implement the Montreal Protocol and saving energy. So in this video tutorial I tried to tell you about the vital importance of ozone. The ozone layer is vital for protecting life on Earth by blocking this harmful UV radiation coming out of the sun. While human activities have caused significant damage to this ozone layer, global efforts are making a positive impact, like the Montreal Protocol, green energy uses, clean energy uses are some of the steps taken to reduce the chlorofluorocarbons. Collectively, global efforts are making to make a positive impact on the recovery of this ozone layer. Ozone is naturally found above the atmosphere. So, uh, an estimation is that in 2050, if corrective measures are taken, then the ozone layer will achieve its thickness to the pre 1980s level, and this is our goal. We have to achieve what the thickness of ozone was in 1980s, and if we achieve this, then harmful UV radiation can be protected to which cause a minimal damage to the earth. So recovery of global ozone layer from the effects of ozone depleting substances is expected around the middle of 21st century, assuming the global compliance with Montreal Protocol. Every time this Montreal Protocol is coming in the picture is due to which it aims to reduce. It gives it's a treaty which tells you how to manage this ozone layer. Okay, so recovery will occur as the ozone depleting substances and reactive halogens appears present in abundance in stratosphere. So in addition to responding, the ozone abundance will increasingly be influenced by climate change. You can see global warming is happening, greenhouse gases is concentrating. These all are indirectly cause of depleting the ozone layer. Also, you have seen the globally temperature is rising between the and it varies between the tropics, mid altitude and polar region, which strongly depend on the future emission of carbon dioxide, methane, all are greenhouse gases that is severely depleting the uh, so the area of concern is Antarctic zone, where the layer was first reported in mid 90s that in Antarctica zone ozone is depleted. Ozone layer is got depleted, and it generally occurs in the winter and early spring season, generally in the month of August and November. Peak depletion occurs in early October when ozone is often completely destroyed over a range of stratospheric altitude, thereby reducing total ozone by as much as two-thirds in the some location. Like you can see here, this area, two-thirds of the ozone is got depleted. So this severe depletion creates ozone hole. This is the ozone hole. Okay, here the layer got thinner, so hole is created which allows the harmful UV radiation to pass through without much absorption, without much filtration, and coming directly to the earth's surface by damaging and spreading its impact. So in most year, the maximum area of ozone hole far exceeds the size of Antarctica. That is the whole Antarctica region. This hole is grewer, and it's expanding. The thickness of this ozone layer is reducing. Thus, the hole is expanding. Let us assume that the first hole was this much size, now growing this size, and now it has become covered the all Antarctica regions. So human mankind to achieve and to serve the human mankind, this has to be addressed in early steps. Already a major damage has caused, but now scientists are deriving the methods to curtail the ozone depleting substances that are present throughout the stratosphere, because they got transported great distance from atmospheric air emission. So the severe depletion of Antarctic ozone layer is known as ozone hole. So if you are asked what is ozone hole, you can simply answer the severe depletion of Antarctic ozone layer or reduction in the amount of ozone gas present over the Antarctic layer is called ozone hole. So ozone hole signifies the reduction of ozone gas. See here, here the layer of ozone got depleted, got reduced in thickness, thus by creating a hole. So the term ozone hole refers to the depletion of protective ozone layer in the upper atmosphere, that is in the stratosphere region of the Earth's polar region. So how we can reduce this and gain the this thickness is through by reducing chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. Okay, so I hope I am able to add some value to your knowledge about ozone. So if you like this video, please do subscribe the channel, and this is my first video tutorial, so I hope you are understanding. I am able to impart some knowledge to you, so kindly subscribe our YouTube channel Edu2 Deep Learning Classes. If you like this, please subscribe our channel and comment share what improvements can be added to the video. Thank you.